Sanjana.
Hi, I'm Dhritika.
Hi, I'm Zia.
I'm Srishti.
And we are Besharam. This episode.
Last episode was our last episode. Last podcast. Oh. We
Bye-bye.
have quit and we're doing games now.
We're a game show.
We're a game show.
So today feels like a very arts and it feels like I'm in nursery. You know, we used to have arts and crafts.
Folders
Yeah.
and
Chip-
colored papers
colored
and
Kids.
boards and marker.
Yeah. I'm excited.
Never say cute again.
Yeah. Luke.
Yeah,
But
you're
yeah.
my rival, so I have to.
Yeah. So to give you all context, we are playing Pictionary today. And for those of you who don't know what Pictionary is, if you don't already know, like, what are you doing, bro? You're lame. Sorry. But Pictionary is basically, there are two teams. The teams are Zia and Dhritika and Srishti and I.
Team
Zitika.
And Team Srujana. Dun, 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 dun. Okay.
Guys, comment down below now who you think is gonna win.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
And while you're at it, subscribe.
तुम लोग
Because
subscribe नहीं कर रहे हो
Yeah,
यार.
I heard a lot of you are not subscribed. मतलब घर आकर पीटू अब आपको.
Vote for Sanjana and Srishti.
What was Zitika?
We are not that desperate.
Lame. Shut the fuck up. Sorry.
Somebody who does house beats has to remix that. Like you have to.
Marker drop.
एक ही है.
Drop ही कर दो. Ball भी drop कर दिया होगा अब तक.
Shut up.
देखेंगे ना.
Okay.
Rules समझा दो भाई. फटाफट
okay.
शुरू करते हैं. I can't wait.
Oh, this is so chaotic. Okay, sorry. So the rules are we're going to be picking out chits. Each team will pick out chits. The person from the other team will listen to what the chit says and basically draw it to the person of their team. They have to guess what it is, and we have 1 minute to guess the clues on the card. So each card has categories of words, and we
There's
just
4 words in each card.
4 words in each card, and we have 1 minute to guess how many of the words we can from that card.
And the rules to this game are that we cannot use actions, we cannot
Yes.
use numbers, we cannot mime, and we cannot use letters. It's
Yes.
pure pictures,
Yeah.
pure drawing.
And we
And-
have to get as many points as we can in as little amount of time as we can. Each team has to do that.
Do you want to explain the points?
What points? Oh yeah. So the normal. So a
Bye guys,
normal
episode खत्म हो चुका है. हम घर जाके सोने वाले हैं.
You're not my team, Srishti.
I know, Baba, I
Okay,
know.
okay.
So normal words have 10 points each, and then there are different Besharam words,
Yes.
which are like related to the 4 of us, and
Which we'll get insider tea on now.
yeah. So those have 20 points.
Yes.
And there's 5 categories, out of which one's Besharam and the other 4 are random.
Regular,
Random.
normal categories.
And
Are we
one chit has how many words?
4.
4.
4.
4 words that we have to do in under a minute.
Yeah. Maitri, do we have anything that we're missing out on? Okay.
Sexy.
And if you don't understand or if you can't follow,
Just watch.
Just
we are
watch.
also doing it. You will also understand. Even
साथ
we'll
में
understand.
साथ
on the
में
way.
सीख रहे, साथ में learn कर रहे.
हम
Yeah.
साथ.
And anyone who watches Besharam already has like a lot of IQ.
Yes.
You better.
Yes. A lot.
Also,
Okay.
I wanted to ask if we
Oh,
can't act or not.
No, I said no
No,
mime.
not act, right?
No
Okay.
miming, no dialogues, no.
Just drawing.
Just drawing. Have to guess it.
Okay. Cool.
Okay, who wants to go first? Let's do majority wins.
Yeah,
Oh my
yeah,
God,
yeah.
yes. So
I'm gonna
wait,
put my
one
left
person from
hand.
each team, na?
No, let's just do it. We'll figure
Yeah.
it out. Whoever's odd one out, uska team
Uska team.
wins.
Okay.
Majority wins.
Oh my God.
You won. Go start. Start.
No, that's not the advantage.
We made our own rule. It's the advantage. You want to start or
It's
no?
not, but
Chal,
Let
start
them
karte.
start.
Chal, we'll start.
Yeah.
it's not the advantage.
It's
Relax.
yeah, I don't care.
We just have to
Zitika.
start. We just have
What?
to start.
Zitika.
Can you guys start already?
Yes.
I'm gonna pick up a pink chit because
Here you go.
अबे green भी क्या उठा रही है?
सब उठाने नहीं, सब चिट खोल ले.
Alright, मैं चिट खोल रही हूँ मैत्री. Your timer starts now.
Whoa. Heart. Dil. Heartbreak. Love. Cupid. Love.
Love. It's not love.
Okay.
Okay.
अरे बाप रे. Oh.
Scissor.
Yes.
Draw small so you can draw all together.
Aggressive.
Okay. Airport. Airport. Plane. Airplane. Okay. Wow. Oh. Badminton.
Honeybee.
The fuck, baby?
I'm gonna try again.
The fuck you draw?
Okay, stop. Oh my god, it was taking a selfie.
Oh, that was good.
Right,
That was good. That looked like talking on phone for
That
me.
looked like a photo frame, honestly,
video
to
call.
me.
You're talking on.
But why would you
Video
like this?
call.
Take it like
one,
this.
No, one stick man. I couldn't draw fast enough. One stick man is there, and he's holding the phone like this. Full stick man is being seen.
Correct. I agree.
That's a selfie, no?
It didn't look like one. It looked like a fucking baby.
What would you have drawn?
Not that. For sure.
What? Not that.
I give up. I
Next.
need a change of team.
Bitch, I was good. I'll see you.
See, we are not competition.
No, you said it.
भाईचारा इधर आ रहा है.
Yeah, next time.
Sujana.
Put the
Sujana.
other
No,
thing
we
ahead.
are not that.
Yeah, we're not.
नहीं Sujana करके we're not that.
We have class.
Fucking losers.
All right.
Blue.
Sanjana's picking next.
Can
Okay.
I open it?
See? Spit out the cap.
Girl. Face. Mouth. Eyes. What? Mom. Kid.
Srishti, no! Oh my god, these are so difficult.
Door.
No, close.
Doorknob.
Can't say that.
Oh shit.
A washroom.
This is bad.
Toilet.
Oh, this is.
Yeah, you can't talk.
You cannot talk,
Son,
Sanjana.
shut up.
You dock their points.
What
up.
is this?
Maitri, I don't like you for this. What is this?
What is this?
Looks like pubes.
Door. Window.
Read it. Read. Is it bad?
She's way off.
Oh my god.
Bro, what were you drawing?
What the hell?
Can I see?
She
my
drew it so bad.
Okay, now Srishti is going. 3, 2, 1, start.
Man.
I don't know why I'm helping.
Man. Teacher. Yes. 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 जल्दी जल्दी जल्दी.
Mic पे मत चला.
Man. Woman. Couple. Love. Me.
Son.
Guru.
No, no,
Running.
no, no.
Sun. Hot. Hot men. Hot people. Hinge. Tinder. Sponsor us.
What are you even doing?
What?
Like on the chit also it doesn't make sense.
भाई इतना बड़ा ड्रॉ करने के बाद इरेज कर दिया पागल. Nachos.
Wait.
Shapes. COVID. Mask. Coronavirus. Pandemic. Hospital. Home.
Just turned into
Sanitizer.
Dumb sharat. Stop. Yay!
It was social distancing.
It was long distance. Oh my god! It was long distance.
Show me.
Look at her. It was social distancing. Oh. Sorry.
Himesh Reshamya. Himesh Reshamya is on our chit.
Himesh Reshamya.
Oh, actually, you could have drawn dumbbells. And be like
Tandoori.
tandoori nights. That's fair. You could have drawn a tandoori chicken.
Yeah.
And not night. Oh.
So we've changed the rules and we're going to extend the time with 30 seconds.
1 minute, 30 seconds because
Because-
1 minute is a disaster.
And
Yeah.
also because a certain team just cannot seem to
It's just
win.
cannot
ये फेंक के
win.
मारूंगे तेरे मुंह पे.
They were.
हाँ भाई ठीक है
नहीं तो
I'm starting, okay?
show them.
Flower. Cactus. Is it a desert? Don't do the dot. It ruins everything. A stem. A face. Okay. A flower. Pookie. Pookie Baba. Pookie Baba, yes! Pookie Baba. Okay, come on. A boat? Stop.
God, what was that? Alibag. I was drawing boat to the thing, and the other one was jealousy. How do I show jealousy?
Bro, I got
Pookie Baba was good. Pookie Baba was good. How would you describe an
Baba was
emotion?
Damn good.
ठीक है ना?
But ठीक है,
Pookie
हमको
Baba
क्या?
was good.
Okay.
We're ridiculous.
Guys, अभी भी अपनी बेड चेंज करने का आपके पास ऑप्शन है.
I'm a sore loser, guys, if you all can't tell.
Okay, चलो.
इनको डिस्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे, हमारा नहीं हो रहा है, इनका भी नहीं होने देंगे.
बहन की?
हम तुम लोग के जैसे नहीं है.
Clearly, you're all bad people.
Yes.
Okay, मैं खोल रही हूँ.
Wi-Fi.
तू क्यों
तू
बोल
क्या कर
रही
रही
है?
है? अरे तू क्या कर रही है? आ जाओ टीम में.
Mango.
Yes.
और सही से पढ़ा या word? Sneezing.
Okay.
What?
Bikini.
What?
The fuck is that? Bikini. That's breakfast. Mat. The fuck?
I know what it is.
Mummy.
Stop breathing on the mic.
Why are you breathing so loudly? Selfie. Picture.
Stop.
That was Rakhi Sawant.
And this was Instagram.
Bro, she should have.
Hot lady on Instagram.
Bro, she should have drawn that Rakhi.
Chaddi.
Yeah. Should have drawn Rakhi.
But how would she guess?
Yeah.
You would
Anyway,
have
guys,
drawn-
we are still in the lead.
No, we'll come back. I know we will come back. We will.
बहुत rounds हैं.
बहुत rounds है.
हाँ भाई उससे मैं I was panicking even more. Donkey.
Sanjana, we have to do it
is a
fast.
good
Okay? Do the ones that you think I'll get quickly.
Guys,
That's the plan. That is the
And
plan.
you can't talk.
अगर आप अपने दोस्तों के साथ देख रहे हो तो Dream 11 पे प्लीज पैसे लगाइए.
रुक भाई. अरे बहन.
Car, wheels, window, silencer, petrol, diesel, car, windshield, window.
Hey, you're writing. You're writing.
Oh shit, sorry.
You're writing.
My bad.
Did up.
Okay.
I can't believe she didn't read it.
I read that, Besharam. This is balloon.
This is a ball sack, babe.
I don't know what to do.
Such a show her, Nat. Or show the audience.
Show
maybe.
the audience, Anjana. Not give. Show me the camera. Yeah.
That's
Australia,
Australia,
USA.
obviously.
और बाप रे.
Now Australia has become cat.
duck.
Stop. That's a bird, right?
Drawing competition.
That's a
नहीं चल रहा
kiwi.
है. Peacock था क्या?
Butter chicken. I wanted to draw a chicken.
And then a piece of butter.
Butter.
I drew a chicken leg first.
What kind of malnourished chicken?
That's chicken leg.
And I called that a ball sack.
उसने balloon बोला है. उसने balloon बोला है.
How would you draw Kabir Singh?
On a bike.
बाइक बना. आजा. एक दिन में बाइक बना के दिखा. मेरे पास 20 सेकंड. 20 सेकंड में एक वर्ड ड्रॉ करनी. कैसे बनाऊं मैं?
Okay.
Okay, start.
Yeah.
Graph. Board, blackboard.
The fuck is that a graph?
चुप ना.
I can't.
Salt and pepper. Restaurant. Menu.
Hmm.
Menu board. Board. Restaurant board. Sandwich. Plate.
Sandwich.
Platter. Sandwich platter. Charcuterie board.
Pizza. Burger.
Chicken.
It's a breakfast platter. Thali.
So correct.
Veg thali.
You're right.
Veg
How are
thali.
you so smart?
Fish. Shark. Fish. Bombil.
Yes.
Oh! Sorry. Bro, I got it. Clock. Watch. Wristwatch. Digital watch. Apple watch. Wristwatch.
Man, watch.
Watch, bro. What's a watch? Car watch. Digital watch. Car wash. Car. Headboard. Dashboard.
I don't know.
Headlight.
What? You said stop, right? Why didn't you draw a logo? Are you stupid?
Can't draw logos, na?
Who said you can?
You can't draw letters, you can't draw numbers, and you can't.
Use words. And
Use
mimicry.
words.
That was a Rolex.
That was a Rolex.
And that was a Besharam thing. So you would have gotten extra points.
Yeah. This was like a watch and I drew a car because Rolls Royce.
And
What is the Rolex
She did not draw
symbol?
either. So Rolex symbol is like a crown.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
अभी तो इसको पता होगा.
अब तो PTSD हो गया भाई.
Rolls Royce का मुझे
Bro, I don't know. I guess
Rolls Royce
Bombil.
का
I
बस
don't know.
दो
I
आ
guess
रहा है.
Bombil. That was good.
Bombil
I
was
consider
good.
that a win.
एक
Bro,
अच्छी ड्रॉ
पहले
की है.
starting में मैंने पाव
Bombil.
भाजी draw किया था. It was that's why I drew that plate in a way there's like two
Ah.
upper and there's flat.
Shit. Sorry.
Alright. Ritika, it's getting warmer. Okay?
Not
We're
really.
getting there.
Okay. Ritika, let's lock in. Okay? 3, 2, wait. 1.
I'm gonna cross check. Show them.
नहीं नजाकत से क्यों ड्रॉ कर रही है? Caterpillar, butterfly.
She won't guess this.
Pickle Rick. Flower. Tadpole. बाल्डी है ना? नहीं पास्ता है क्या है ये? डेमोगोगन है?
That
दूसरा कर यार, धृतिका यार.
नहीं होगा.
दूसरा कर. बाल्डी. It's a pot on a stove. It's a fishing thing? Is it a fishing thing? Is there water down? No water down. Pot. Shit? Is that shit?
Come on.
Is that a flush?
Yes.
Is that a bottle? Flower.
Time's up.
Soda.
Alcohol, beer.
Alcohol. Breezer. है? Beer.
Yes.
क्या था?
ठंडा कोक. Pressure cooker.
प्रेशर कुकर बनाने का कोई पॉइंट नहीं.
This was easy to decipher भाई
Not
ठंडा
at
कोक.
fucking all. कोको कोला मतलब CC लिख देती उसके ऊपर.
I can't write alphabets. Otherwise I would have written Coca-Cola only ना straight.
अरे वाह. फिर तो रोलेक्स ही लिख देती. Draw क्यों
Rolex
करती?
ही words ही लिख देते तो Pictionary का कोई
3, 2, 1, start. Okay.
ऐसे
What
टाइम
the
वेस्ट
hell?
करो.
ए बाप रे.
Very nice.
Oh,
अब
bye.
आएगा मजा.
Okay, that's a road. Okay, draw the whole thing first.
Correct. It's a road only.
Yeah, traffic there.
Train.
बस है वो पागल.
Station. Train station. Dockyard. CST, Dadar, Baikal. CST. Baikala. Dadar.
Yes.
Dadar station. Okay, got it. That's 20 points. बहन जो सांस मत ले तू जोर से एक तो मेरा ऊपर नीचे होता है इधर. Yes, yes, on it. Full focus. Okay. ये लंगड़ा. What? 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 Can you draw something else? This is
पेज फाड़ दिया. Time's up.
okay. No. Go on.
Pregnant woman.
Yeah, stop. Hey, they fucked me over.
Is that a bottle or something?
Yeah, but you have to guess the brand.
Tupperware.
Milton.
Milk.
I don't know. इसका मतलब क्या है Milton water bottle का?
Now we are following a strategy. If you see a Besharam word, go draw that first.
Yeah. Let's do that.
Go for that first.
Time starts now.
Laptop. Working. Work from home. Laptop working. Working on a laptop. Studying. Keyboard. Girl typing. Girl typing on a laptop.
Oh my god, I got it.
Girl keyboard. Girl screen. Oh, Gopi Bhau. Washing.
No.
Laptop. Yes. Laptop. Girl. Blonde. Scratching. Itching.
No.
Itching. Lies. Jua. Shampoo. Hair. क्या है? Bro, what the fuck is this? Comb. Haircut.
I think she's.
Phone.
Oh my god, I get it. I literally get it.
Phone.
I literally get it.
Hair.
Oh my god.
Hair
Hey,
what?
you can't make
You
a
can't
make
write
conversation
dialogue.
bubble.
You
No.
can't.
No. Forget it. That was a mark sheet.
This is Pooja Mishra.
Pooja Mishra.
I thought it was your mark sheet.
She's angry. She's on Instagram.
That's not Instagram. That's your mark sheet.
Live.
उसके पास
We
नहीं
got
है.
two,
She
no?
doesn't
Yeah.
know.
Laptop and Gopi Bhau.
Yeah, bro, too good.
Gopi Bhau is really good.
In this round, you didn't guess.
Nothing.
No.
It's true.
Come back, are labdu.
Come back के लिए एक
आला
आला-
रे.
2, 1, go.
Revenge.
अरे आंटी जल्दी.
Show the camera. What your?
गया.
Okay.
पकड़ू. दे पकड़ने दे.
नहीं. छोड़ भाई.
इसकी तो ड्राइंग मुझे दिखी हुई नहीं है. मैं वीडियो में देखकर
Oh, boy.
देख तू आगे आके देख. माइक हटा. कंटेंट यहाँ है.
अच्छा बना रही कि नहीं?
Octopus. Grapes.
नहीं भाई.
Road. Truck. It's a wheel. Cycle. Bicycle.
कैसे ड्रॉ करेंगे?
Sure?
नहीं बता सकते.
Calculator. Rupees. Cashier. Money. Galla.
Money में
ए.
बोल. अरे बोल. तो
Drawer.
सकती हूँ.
नहीं,
Drawer.
तो दो
Drawer.
नहीं
से.
सकती है.
Okay.
Bank.
Okay.
Time is
This was
up.
KBC. You couldn't have guessed it, still I tried.
Oh,
ऊपर
that's
वाला
good,
तो
that's
मुझे पता ही
good.
नहीं.
What
ट्रिशा
else?
पेटस के कैसे गेस करेंगे? बड़े होठ बना के.
Sure, why not?
Wow, this is tough. But like we did good in this round.
Yeah.
We did good.
Yeah, you got one.
2.
2.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. मुझे बता ना.
Show them, no, they can't see.
कार है ये. Oh, done. Okay.
Cucumber.
तुम क्यों गेस कर रही है? चप्पल. चुप ना.
ये तो नहीं हो पाएगा.
कार और चप्पल आ गया हमारा. अब हम जाएंगे ड्राइव पे. ये क्या मर्डर हुआ है किसी का?
ये नहीं होगा.
चूहा है ये रास्ते पे लेट गया है ना बंदा. स्लीपिंग, स्माइलिंग,
Sleeper cell.
स्लीपोवर, रैटेटूई. चूहा ही है ना, उसके विस्कर्स क्यों है? बिल्ली है.
अरे चिट कर.
Time's up.
हो गया.
You need. Okay, इंसान है, लेट गया है. कहाँ लेटा है? रास्ते पर. हंस रहा है. He's smiling. Smiling. Happy. Smiling. Content. Smile. खुश है. खुश है और उसको मजा आ रहा है. Fun. ये क्या कर रहा है वो? बाहर क्या दे रहा है? फूक रहा है.
Close.
Oh, drunk. Is he drunk? Vomiting. क्या कर रहा था ये? चूहा?
Rolling on the floor laughing.
Oh, that was a very good one, but I would have never guessed it.
And the fourth one was Baba Ramdev.
Should just drawn this.
I would never. Oh, you should have drawn that.
But how?
We're coming back, Shush. We're coming back.
Let's
We're
go
coming back.
Zetica.
It's gonna be slow, but it's gonna be good.
मोमेंट ने जैसे हम ज्यादा शोर शराबा करके कम बैक नहीं करते.
I'll
अच्छे
believe
से
you on
करते
that.
हैं.
ठीक है भाई.
चलो.
Yeah.
Okay.
Every picture has one person. She's drawing terribly, by the way.
Boobs. Many
Classroom. The fuck, teacher?
Leaves.
Boobs.
Worms.
Why? You
Worms.
Say wrong thing.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
Idli.
Worms, cockroach.
Is it idli dosa?
Sambar
Sambar,
chutney.
chutney.
What is it? Is it eating? Eating what? Pani puri?
Yes.
Okay.
डर लग रहा है मेरे को थोड़ा.
Okay. Whoa. What?
Fuck that.
Okay. Did it.
अरे हंस बात में बहन.
Sorry, मुझे वापस वही बनाना पड़ेगा.
Time's up.
नहीं हुआ है.
अरे ड्रॉ कर. Good. I understand. सही क्या चुन के तुझे. हार भी गए तो चलेगा.
What is this? Utensils. बर्तन. Pot.
Okay.
Show it to the cameras here.
Hot lady.
Bring it closer to the camera, Sia. Face it towards the camera.
Come in closer.
8. हो गया.
Selfie. Picture.
हो गया.
मेरा selfie.
Hot lady on Instagram again.
How the fuck am I supposed to? She did that.
She just did that.
I showed you this before.
देखो ये है.
Fuck off. You couldn't fucking guess masala dosa. Shut up.
You didn't guess the second time it being drawn.
This was lassi. It was difficult.
Lassi.
Yeah, that glass was lassi. नहीं कर सकते ना. मैं बाजू में दही बना रही थी. उधर मैं पगड़ी बनाऊं.
छोटा सा बना देती नीचे. मैं गैस कर देती. फिर इरेज कर देती.
चल ला इधर. मेरे तो लग गए.
लड़े लग गए.
Spoon. No, Srush, wait.
वेट बोलना
Pan.
पड़ेगा क्या?
Frying pan.
Sorry guys, I'm so sorry. I'm really sorry. I'm really sorry.
Wow, guys, marks deduct हो गए इनके.
Sorry.
चिल्लाने के. Okay.
Can't sing it. Hug. Group hug.
Having an orgy.
Group hug. No.
Maybe it's phone sex.
Mic. Stand up. Stand up comedy. Audience. Artist. Singer. Performing. Stand up.
Mujra.
Sitting. Sitting and singing.
Too much hand
Talking. Podcast. Podcasting. Untriggered.
Moss.
Boys podcast. Having said that,
stuff. Having said that, boys podcast.
bro, what
James Charles.
was that?
I drew the American flag. It was Andrew Tate. To be fair,
टकला दिखा देती बहन टकला.
मैंने बाल नहीं बनाए, टकला ही हुआ ना वो.
अगर मैंने सृष्टि को उल्टे हाथ का मारा
Guys,
है
guys. Yeah.
Zia, pull the thing away. If she thinks it's a good omen, pull the thing away.
अबे चुप ना. Balloon, badminton, paddle, bulb. चल, bulb light bulb. Bulb light. Sushi drawn next to each other. हाँ. Eggs, potato, fries, eggs, fried eggs, boiled eggs, beans. Popcorn, clouds, tree, mango, Goa, bush, forest, rainforest, bush, forest,
Put your hand.
rainforest,
Ekidiki.
forest, go, Corona, go,
Corona, go.
Forest.
Corona,
Blast
go.
from the past.
forest,
Go, Corona.
jungle.
Yes. Guys, that's a different game.
We are mixing. What's your problem? सृष्टि जल्दी कुछ भी बना दे.
Oh God.
रंगोली,
Yes. Diwali diya.
इडली. सृष्टि जल्दी बना.
Stop.
It's okay. We did really well.
Yeah.
You only got half a point in the second one because she did this.
अरे तो इसमें क्या अभी
This was
उसको
not a
हिंदी-
rule.
No, you have to draw everything. Stop.
इधर फेस कर.
ड्रॉ कर. प्याला है, इसके अंदर चावल है,
इधर फेस करना.
ए भाई.
सूप है, रामेन है, नूडल्स,
चिट छुपा के
चाउमीन, बोल, शिन रामेन, निसिन की है, शिन रामेन है, मैगी है, मैगी हो गया, मैगी तो हम खाते भी नहीं है.
तू नहीं खाती भाई.
इतने वापस बनाया सोडा की बॉटल.
नहीं आएगा इनको.
ओके, बंदा है, उसके बाल है, कर्ली बाल है, बाल नहीं है,
बाल ही नहीं है,
बॉल, टकला. कौन है, हम किसको जानते हैं जो टकला है?
Yes.
Sad है वो,
कौन
बहुत sad
टकला है?
rich feel जा रहा है.
कौन टकला है?
ए, चुप ना.
जिया टकली हो रही है.
उल्टा हाथ का पड़ेगा सृष्टि. बाल नहीं है उसके पास, एलोपेशिया.
Voldemort. मजा आ रहा है.
ये फोन है, कीबोर्ड है, कीपैड, टच स्क्रीन, टाइपिंग, टेक्सटिंग, मैसेज, टाइपिंग.
Typing fast.
Typing fast. That was Ganji Chudel.
We know Ganji Chudel. We to know Ganji Chudel.
That's difficult.
Deepika. Was it?
चलो, Ritika, what do we gotta do?
We gotta win. Bitch.
Not
We
guess.
gotta lock in.
We gotta win.
We gotta lock the fuck in.
Draw
and we're
कैसे
gonna win.
मेरे पास है.
What do we want to do? We gotta lock in. We gotta win.
थूक से बनाएंगे वो थुचो बैठ. चल.
I will not be held responsible अगर मेरा हाथ ऐसा उल्टा गया है
हाँ.
और किसी को
लग गया है. जाने दे.
धमकी दे रही है.
हाँ, दे
cut
रहे.
points. Cut points.
दे रहे.
Big Boss.
Fuck off.
Big boss.
मुझे हर्ट हो रहा है बिग बॉस. बिग बॉस मुझे हर्ट हो रहा है. चल.
चलो 3, 2, 1.
फेयर नहीं खेल रहे यार ये लोग.
Fucking sore losers. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, Earth, globe,
Uranus.
planet. Okay. मटर, लड्डू,
Kashti.
लड्डू, पेड़े, रसगुल्ले, रसगुल्ला.
ये आराम से करना भाई.
उसको नहीं करना. जलेबी,
Time's up.
चकली,
दिवाली फायर
मक्खी.
पॉटी,
तेरी पोटी ऐसी दिखती है.
क्या भाई तू सब कर रही है. फुलझड़ी, चकली, क्रैकर्स, फायर क्रैकर्स, मक्खी, कचरा, डर्ट,
शाबाश कचरा.
आ गया इसका इंसान.
प्रेग्नेंट, बेबी, यूट्रस, एग्स,
डिलीवरी.
बेबीज,
Oh my God,
Eggs.
Dhritika.
इन्फेंट्स,
Dhritika.
क्वाड्रुप्लेट्स.
Stop बोलने के
स्टॉप
बाद.
बोलने के बाद.
That was a Mortine coin.
So basically, Zia drew a planet, and when I put that point down, I put it down with the intention to also describe what that incident or that experience was together. There was this time before Srishti was leaving, the last time when she left to go to Singapore, we were on our terrace the night before she left, and we were just lying down on our terrace, and we could actually see
Mars.
Mars.
And
So
fine,
all of
call
us
it
were-
bullshit,
All
but
of us
like
were time and again just staring at the sky,
Yeah.
and then this one particular star, which was a planet, was really bright, and you could
Yeah.
like see it.
you could tell
sort
it
of
apart
have a
because it was
orange
very
tint.
bright.
Yeah, it had an orange tint if you looked really carefully.
And then for
And
some
then we
time,
deciphered later that it was actually Mars.
because for some time we were actually looking at it, and it's of course very difficult to notice it with the like naked eye. But then if you look at it long enough,
It keeps getting brighter.
it keeps
Yeah.
getting bright
It's
and
beautiful.
visible, like
It
more
was
clear.
so good.
Yeah.
So yeah,
So
that's
The
what
sky
it
was
was.
very clear and it was really beautiful.
Yeah.
Fun memories with the opposite group.
Ew.
मैंने सोचा था मैं वो चोट उठाऊंगी लेकिन मैंने फिर नहीं उठाया. मुझे लगता है ये
हॉट टब.
नहीं रामेन है.
Chopstick?
Chopsticks, ramen,
चॉपस्टिक्स. अरे नूडल्स तो बना.
soupy noodles,
सूपी रामेन नहीं नॉर के सूपी नूडल्स है.
नॉर के बोल में.
नॉर के
Swimming pool.
अबे वो
Yes,
अरे
yes.
नीचे का
डुबकी,
बना
डुबकी,
rod.
डुबकी, डुबकी.
वो गैस पे
Ladder.
रखा है गैस पे.
स्पेगेटी पास्ता.
Yes, spaghetti.
डोरेमोन.
ये क्या विनी द
Doraemon.
विनी द पू है. इसका
चड्डी.
चड्डी.
ब्लू.
सिडनी
वाइट.
डायपर है डायपर.
शिनचैन.
Red,
डोरेमी.
Blue.
डोरेमी. डोरेमोन.
डो-
डोरेमोन
Yellow.
पॉकेट.
शिनचैन शिनचैन.
डोरेमोन
नोबिता,
पॉकेट.
नोबिता.
गैजेट.
मैं हूँ जिया.
मैं हूँ बड़ा ताकतवर, मेरा गला है बहुत
डोरेमोन
सुरीला।
पैंट्स.
मेरी
डोरेमोन पैंट्स?
आवाज सुन
ये क्या होता है?
के लोग हो जाते हैं मदहोश। मैं हूँ जियान, मैं हूँ बड़ा
बर्गर,
ताकतवर,
हैमबर्गर,
मेरा गला है
चीज
बहुत
बर्गर,
सुरीला। कोरियन
बर्गर,
बर्गर, कोरियन
कोरियन
बर्गर,
कोरियन बर्गर है.
वड़ा पाव.
फ्राइड चिकन,
डॉट 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 क्यों बनाती है उसे?
सैंडविच.
सबवे,
भाई हैम एंड चीज है.
सॉसेजेस है वो।
सॉस.
That was an agarbatti.
That was
The
an
first
agarbatti.
one?
Yeah. And it was so
Fuck.
obvious when she first drew it. I was like, that's an agarbatti. That's why I took the noodles around.
नीचे ये करती ना, स्टैंड बनाती ना तो आ जाता.
बनाया था.
दीदी शी कांट सी, शो हर आल्सो थोड़ा सा। हाँ,
Chaddi. Underwear. Kacha. Kachi. Underwear. Bikini. Underwear. Kacha. Kacha kairi.
Chaddi, short.
Chaddi.
Short.
Shorts.
Maybe it's bikini. Swimsuit. Did you
Wait.
try swimsuit?
Kacha.
Baywatch.
Kachiyaun. Gujarat.
Kachiyaung, kachiyaung,
Kachiyaung.
kachiyaung.
Kach. Oh my god. अरे बाप रे. Hot body. Kim Kardashian.
Yes.
Her bodysuit.
Skims.
Bodysuit. Underwear.
Kylie swim.
Underwear. Chutney.
Bikini.
Surabana.
She's a
Dusra
hot-
bana.
She's a hot woman.
Yeah.
Chaddi.
I mean,
Underwear.
Kim
Kacha.
I
Kardashian
was saying
is really
Kylie Jenner is
hot.
not hot.
Yeah, Kylie Jenner
She
is
has the
really
body just
hot.
like that.
Maybe it's Kourtney Kardashian.
Could
Did
be.
try?
Kach. Kim Kardashian.
Hmm.
Kach.
Kourtney. Chloe.
Next one. Underboob.
Keeping up with the Kardashian.
Bikini. Bra.
Bikini. हाँ तूने
Bikini
bra
से-
नहीं ट्राई की भाई. Tank top होगा tank top.
Tank top होगा.
Goal. House. Mountains.
ओहो.
School. Moon.
तुझे मिल जाता ना ये.
Kishmish.
आराम से.
Grapes.
Sydney Sweeney की कच्ची खानी है. मैंने देखा भी नहीं.
मजा आ गया.
मैंने कच्ची समझा. समझा. Sydney Sweeney की कच्ची खानी है.
फिर मेरे को लगा देखो नहीं
बाहर
समझेगा.
कच्ची बोला.
वो छोड़, मैंने boobs draw करके अच्छी फिगर वाली बंदी भी बनाई.
That's on me. That's completely on me. And what was that?
Momos.
Shit! Momos would have been
भाई,
based on,
दिवाली
right?
नहीं बना पाई है. दिवाली नहीं बना.
Srishti. Face it here.
अरे तो मेरे को दे भाई.
मैं देखती ना इधर. It's difficult.
कैस है. नहीं.
It's difficult.
बॉल है.
Sure.
बॉल है. गैस है. गैस ही है ना ये. डीजे.
नहीं मिलेगा.
डीजे ही है. डीजे बूथ. डीजे.
DJ. Bravo. DJ. Bravo.
चुप.
Champion.
बोल में क्या रखा है? आम. एप्पल. फ्रूट. आम. अंडे. एग्स. एग बास्केट. एग्स ऑफ बास्केट. क्या है ये? ईस्टर. इसने अंडा बनाया. जैन से तुम लोगों ने अंडा बनाया. कैलेंडर. एक बॉक्स है. किस चीज का बॉक्स है? प्लस. क्राइस्ट. ओ चर्च है. क्या है?
I knew you would do this. I knew it.
अबे प्लस साइन बना रही. क्राइस्ट का साइन. हॉस्पिटल मैंने बोल दिया.
Yeah, correct.
हॉस्पिटल.
She got 2.
Time up. That was egg curry.
एग करी कौन दिया?
जेन को दे रहे हो भाई. भारत ब्रश करवाना है मेरा.
I think I know who's the
Dude,
winner.
I'm actually
the winner.
exhausted
but
now.
I'm actually glad you were my teammate.
Yeah, this is so much
This
fun.
was a lot of fun.
The
Love.
results are in. What group has won? No, give us a chit. What do you want in the chit? Give one chit to each side of the table and we'll both open together. 3, 2, 1. Yeah! Winner, chicken dinner.
That means Ritika lost.
I'll give my share to Zia.
Winner, veggie dinner.
Veggie है? निकाल फिर.
Let's go,
निकाल
guys.
अंडरवेयर से.
गाइस मुझे पता था दितिका और मैं ये पॉडकास्ट में सबसे बेस्ट डुओ है, लेकिन मुझे आज इसका यकीन हो चुका है.
Every failure is a winner.
Yes. Your winners want to end?
No, actually, I'm pissed off.
You won.
I know. We'll take this up later.
What? sure, beefing before the show ends, before the episode ends. But guys, if you all liked this episode, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, comment the artist, the palette, and the brush emoji, and share this video with everyone.
Your favorite artist out of no context.
Yes, just do that.
Out of context, just comment your
Favorite artist.
Yes, please do that.
If you're watching a reel on Instagram, you at them. I want to see at Badshah. I want to see at Chapel Road. I want to see at
Yo-Yo
Taylor
Honey
Swift.
Singh.
I
Do
want
it.
to see at Yo-Yo Honey Singh. Comment everyone that you can think of. Comment your mom also. Who cares?
She's an artist. She created
care.
you.
She created you,
I
yeah,
care.
from scratch.
Follow us on Instagram, like our videos, and comment nice things. Give us DMs on what you would like to talk for us to talk about next.
Or play about also.
And if
Yeah.
you're listening to us on Spotify, please don't forget to give us a good go give us. Go give us. And if you're listening to us on Spotify, please don't forget to give us a good rating.
it's
And
done now.
follow us on there as well, okay?
Yes.
Until next time.
Until next time,
Stay Besharam. Bye.
Bye.